What's up, folks? Welcome back to the garage. I just received today a package from Sweden, and there should be some new parts for my B20 engine project. So I hope we can proceed with these parts in that project. This is quite heavy, so I will show you what we have here in the box. I'm so excited that I couldn't wait anymore, so in this point I will do a short unboxing video. I got some reading. This is Swedish newspaper Sydsvenska, Dagsbladet Snällposten. Yes, in Finland we have to learn some Swedish, but I think I'm not able to read everything, so this will go in the recycle. But I managed to get some parts, and I think I got everything I ordered. As you can see, I have a brand new camshaft. This is now K. I know that someone of you might be slightly disappointed because this is so milled cam. Then I have the head gasket. This is now 0.8 millimeter, so I can get a little bit higher compression ratio with this gasket. If you have watched my earlier video, you will know what I mean. Then I have the valve cover gasket. They would have had a rubber one, but this was slightly cheaper. And then I have the intake and exhaust gasket and water pump gasket kit for water pump, and I think this is for the thermostat. I'm not 100% sure, but it should be. And I know already that I don't have everything, but with these and this gasket set, I should be able to proceed with my project. At least next we can put the camshaft and timing and maybe the water pump, not sure, but I just need few new tools to finish my porting, and then I will take this head to the machine shop, and they will lower the surface, and they will redo the valves, and I think I will have a slightly bigger one valves in or the exhaust valve will be slightly bigger than original, but I just need to pour these exhaust channels before that. But after that, I think, well, I'm still missing few gaskets, I think, but I should have almost everything. But I will next I will try to find the table, because I want to make sure that should I order some new jets for the carburetors, because I don't remember that can I use the original ones with this cam, but I will find the table for you. Just a sec. Well, just in this table, you can see the address there. The K-cam is missing, but if we check the D-cam and 45s, 45s, yes, that one. The main jet is 155, and I have now there's the table I changed to 145 45 to 155, so it's just the same. And idle jet 60 F8 is just the same. I have 60 F8 and missing the row, and air corrector is 185 and I have 180, so I'm quite close, so I might survive with these jets, but I just want to make sure, and I will call the Free Technics company here in Finland. It's the shop where I bought those carburetors, so I will call them and make sure that my jets are okay for the K-cam, because it's missing from the list. For example, if I would have the R-cam, I would need slightly different jets, but I'm still quite near, so I hope I can manage with those jets. I have some very interesting Volvo videos coming. I will try to proceed with the engine project, but before that, if you noticed, I have new fuel pump, so I have to fit it to this car, and then the second video will be about tuning the carburetors, because if you watched my donut video, you might notice that when I give the throttle, the air-fuel ratio is okay, but on the idle it's way too lean, so there's still some problems with the cylinder number 4, if I remember right. But after I have assembled the new fuel pump, it's possible to tune the carburetors again. Now I should have all the tools and knowledge to do that, but we will see. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.